Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I know this is an RC hobby channel, but as you know, I like to put a little bit different content on here from time to time. Guys, what we're going to talk about is this Gamo Silent Cat. It's a Springer type pellet gun. Recently I had a spring break in it, and I made a big mistake by just ordering a spring kit with a seal and only replacing the spring instead of doing a full tear down and rebuild. So after struggling with this thing, shooting horribly, I finally decided to tear it back down and go through an entire rebuild process. What I did was basically I went ahead and put a new seal in it, lubed it up with some silicone lube, plenty of Moly Lube on the piston, I honed the bore, and plenty of heavy tar on the spring for vibration dampening. So I got it all back together. We're going to give it a shot. As you can see, we got a new target set up here, and hopefully we're going to get a little bit better pattern out of this, hopefully a little tighter, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go back up to the house. We're going to show you where I'm going to be shooting from. It's 30 yards from where I'm going to be shooting down to this target right here, and hopefully I can keep about a 1 or 2 inch spread at the most. So let's do it. Okay guys, we're up here at my sniper blind. As I mentioned, I do like to target shoot, but I'm not opposed to eliminating a few nuisance pests from time to time. So this thing definitely needs to be accurate in case I decide to do that. But here's what I have set up, guys. It's a very simple setup. I have a rest right here. This is for the bipod, and then I've made this very easily accessible rest that just comes out. I can store it against the wall when I'm not using it, just like this. But basically all I'm going to be doing, setting my bipod on the rest and shooting like that. So let's go ahead and get target shooting and see if all of those modifications that I made, or I should say just repairs in the proper way, let's see if they did any good. All right, let's get shooting. All right, before we get shooting, I just wanted to give you a good idea of just how far away we are shooting from. This is zoomed in, and I'm going to zoom back out and give you an idea just how far away we are. And there you go, there's your target. That is 30 yards. So, let's get shooting. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go get this target, wrap this video up. A couple of reminders guys, if you're going to rebuild your Springer, do it right. Don't do like I did and just put a spring in it and let it go. Go ahead and put plenty of heavy tar on the spring, Moly Lube on the piston, of course clean everything up first, silicone on the seal, hone your bore. If you do all that, I think you're going to have some pretty good results. And this is a lot better than I was doing before, so hopefully we can improve upon that, maybe with a few tweaks. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching guys. We'll talk to you in the next one.